Hi friends, so today's video is going to be a review video for these glasses that I got from FIRMOO. And before I begin, I do want to say that these glasses were sent to me complimentary for an honest review in return. Starting off, there is this case that comes with the glasses when you order it. If you've watched my previous videos on my previous reviews of eyewear from FIRMOO, then you too would notice that they've changed their cases. This new case is of plastic material, but it does protect your eyewear, so you can't complain too much because it does do its job. Also included when you buy eyewear from FIRMOO is this double-headed mini screwdriver. There are also little screws included in the little baggie just in case you do end up losing a screw from your glasses. Now onto the glasses. I got these really pretty ones in the style S943 in gold C7. I loved these when I saw them because of the color, the style, and how minimum it looks. Perfect to wear with any casual outfit, or you can add it as an accessory to add some sass to your look. The nose piece is also gold, if you can see here. They don't cause any discomfort at all, and the temples or the handles of these glasses does have this really cute marble design to them as well. Here on the side, you can see where the screws are for the frame. I love the cat eye design for these frames. I also want to mention that these are prescription glasses, and I need glasses to see far away. Usually those lenses are really thick, but if you couldn't tell, these lenses are actually not thick at all. These glasses are very light and comfortable for all-day wear. Before ordering glasses from any online website, you should be sure to read the measurements on the website so you can get the right measurements for yourself. There are many other options on the FIRMOO website where you can make the lens thinner if you'd like for an upcharge in price. You can also add things like tint or anti-scratch to the lens, again at an upcharge in pricing. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!